Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 57 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be doing inversion pairs, also on exercises on 3 notes with exercises 80 and 81.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So on 80 and 81, it gets a little bit trickier because now we've got these third jumps that we're navigating within the triplet. So be very careful, go slow at first and manage that intonation. Okay, and here is exercise 80. Exercise 81 is always a little bit trickier because it's just a weirder sequence that you don't hear as much. But we're going from the upper third down to the tonic. Okay, so just beware. Good job.